Hi, my name is Steve Carroll. I'm very excited to show you this product and the simplicity and accessibility for service and maintenance. First of all, I want to point out that the hoses are all protected by a plastic membrane, so these hoses move a lot. This protects them. Also gives you clean, clear access to them. You have very good access to your quick connects in the event you have to connect these lines, disconnect these lines. Also, you have accessibility to your grease pump. The grease pump is mounted out where the head is so that it reduces the number of grease lines. Also, I want to point out the accessibility to your belt, visibility from the mirror for the operator. Makes it easy to change the belt and do maintenance on the belt. Okay, here we're going to continue about simplicity and serviceability. No tools required to remove the vacuum head and get access to the drum. First, we remove the vacuum line. Then we remove the grease lines. Then we remove the air lines. We release the hold down springs. Release the pins and remove the vacuum head. One further step and you have access to the drum like no other machine for service, maintenance, etc. This promotes regular checking of your drum. Also, we take a lot of care about the routing of our hydraulic lines and electrical wiring, keeping the package clean and neat, serviceable, reducing stress on those components. We also provide a second and third operator seat. However, it's not necessary. It does provide a safe and comfortable operator's position to help support the driver if he has more than he can handle. However, this seat does rotate to give you superb visibility to your incoming work, marking, at the same time, excellent visibility on your finished product. Again, we're talking about serviceability and neatness. Here I want to show you our panel we call the OTB, which stands for outside terminal box. In this location you will find most of our computers. Notice everything is labeled very easily, very well, and very accessible. Panning up here above, you'll see a computer. This controls the fans for cooling the hydraulic oil. These computers are located throughout the machine to reduce the total wire and wire harness size and therefore potential circuit issues. These are located geographically where they serve a particular manifold or component. So we also want to demonstrate accessibility to the filters for the purpose of exchanging them. First of all, we release all the latches. And then we lift the doorway. It has a lanyard that holds it so that it doesn't go all the way over. And you have knobs in there that takes that plate off and then simply slide every bag out. These knobs spin off, no tools required. You can pull the bags out.